Okay, let's see. I normally try to defend at the beginning, because that could add to a big push. Okay, good. My only, group of card is, barbarians. Because otherwise, oh, this is bad. This is not good at all. Okay. This is bad. Okay. No, his Star Prince is gonna help. I don't really have any air. I could use this card, but I like using it for distractions. Yes. I have Monk. Come over here. Get a little bit closer. Okay, buddies. Okay, buddy. There ain't no way. Got him. Destroy High School. There ain't no way he's still alive. Okay, I'm like, he needs to die. I could do a big push. Yeah, good. I'm not. I prefer to defend against him, and I do not need him hitting my tower when my tower is this low in health. Yeah, he's just gonna be destroying them. But my bats, just focus on him. He won't. But he still use that. Are you kidding me? You see, I deflected it, and you're going to use it again. Well, I'm going to go ahead. I'm not trying to, underuse Elixir right now. So I'm gonna, He's trying to do that, so I can't, I'm trying to deflect, shoot. You didn't shoot when he could block. Why did you not do that? He shouldn't be able to shoot. I have way too big of a push. Way too big of a push. I'm about to try and take out his tower. I personally think I can. Okay. I need a wizard. I need my wizard back. Please. Oh, I think actually we could take him out like that, so. Oh, even he's using rage, he might take out my tower. Oh, he didn't? Yes. I think this is a perfect opportunity to blitz. My balloon can tear him. My balloon can destroy. Good balloon. Well, I'll see you in the next video.